Hi, what's up everyone? In this video we're going to talk about the top AirPods Max alternatives you can buy on Amazon. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Apple has done it again. In reality, the long-rumored AirPods Studio headphones were introduced under the AirPods Max moniker. We saw that one was coming, as Apple got rid of all the third-party headphones and speakers in its stores back in October. And while reports speculated that the price of a new, extra premium, over-the-ear, noise release headphone would start at $350, Apple has shocked everyone again. The AirPods Max model retails at $549. I have prepared this video guide for the AirPods Max alternatives to give you the ins and outs to help you make the right choice. So let's get started. What AirPods Max gets you for $549? Apple has baked some really cool and interesting features in its new AirPods Max headphones. First of all, Siri has received full integration privileges in the AirPods Max and can be summoned via the digital crown, with a press and hold. In addition, the headphones are smart enough to detect when they're on your head and pause if you take them off, in order to save battery. Here's all the magic inside the AirPods Max. Adaptive EQ. Active noise cancellation. Transparency mode. Spatial audio. Up to 20 hours of battery life. 5 minutes of charge time will provide around 1.5 hours. That's all fine and dandy, but there are other brands and models that offer a similar experience, and at a better price too. Let's check out the best AirPods Max alternatives you can buy, be happy with, and save money at the same time. 5. Razer Opus. The Dark Knight in this list comes from Razer, metaphorically and literally. The company has a great reputation in the gaming industry, and the Razer Opus is aimed to compete with the likes of Sony WH1000XM4 or Bose Quiet Comfort 35 II. Unlike Sony and Bose, Razer Opus is extremely affordable for what the model has to offer, just $199. Razer Opus features advanced active noise cancellation, the so-called hybrid ANC technology that can separate sounds such as human voice, traffic, and other ambient noises using an external and internal microphone. These headphones are THX certified, offering great quality, consistency, and performance. As far as battery life is concerned, Razer claims that its new Opus headphones can last around 25 hours, so this model, just like almost every model on this list, outperforms the Max AirPods in the battery life department. 4. Beats Studio 3 Wireless. This model is a definite contender in our ranking, provided that the Beats Studio wireless headphones use Apple's W1 chip for Class 1 wireless Bluetooth connectivity. Beats headphones are very popular, and they also deliver some serious tech stuff, in addition to the great design and ergonomic features. The adaptive noise cancelling feature is quite good, and there's also a real-time audio calibration, basically the same feature as the adaptive EQ tech seen in other brands. You can squeeze up to 22 hours of autonomy out of these headphones, and a 10-minute charge gives you 3 extra hours of play. The price hovers below the $300 mark, so you're getting a good deal too. 3. Bowers & Wilkins PX7. You should definitely try out the Bowers & Wilkins PX7 headphones if you want an unparalleled listening experience. This brand does not ring any bells for you now, but the British sound engineers behind these headphones developed and engineered the Abbey Road studio speakers. The PX7 model is very modern, though. It offers things like adaptive noise cancellation, where sensors, ambient pass-through technology that allows some external noise from the surrounding environment, such as safety announcements or conversations, to be heard without taking the headphones off. 2. Bose Noise Cancelling Headphones 700. Another solid option comes from Bose. You've probably heard of the famous 700 model. It has all the bells and whistles on board, a 4-microphone system that offers 11 levels of noise cancellation, Alexa and Google Assistant integration, an active EQ that delivers an immersive listening experience, touch-sensitive controls, and more. The Bose Noise Cancelling Headphones 700 match the battery life of the AirPods Max with up to 20 hours of playback time. You get a different style too, but that's of course highly subjective. These headphones normally retail for $379, but you can skim $30 to $40 off that price easily. 1. Sony WH1000XM4. This is the obvious alternative, huh? Over the years, Sony's famous noise-canceling headphones have acquired cult status. The technology is described by Sony as industry-leading, and this is not an overstatement. When you take off your headphones, touch-sensitive buttons, and smart assistant integration, you get the same wear detection that pauses the playback. If the adaptive EQ feature in the AirPods Max has drawn your attention, Sony offers something very similar called adaptive sound control. There's an even cooler tech on board these headphones, Edge AI. It analyzes sound in real time and recognizes instruments to restore the high-range sounds for a richer, more complete listening experience. So guys, this was the video about the best 4K HDR gaming monitor. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.